subscribe our channel.
Is your child getting ready for nursery or school? Are you worried to send your little one to the nursery or school? Then this video is for you all. Hello mommies and daddies, welcome back to my channel Mom and Baby. Before we get actually started, I would like to thank you to all of you for your love and support. This means a lot to us. If you are new here, you are most welcome. My name is Sarita and I am a mother of 2 years old baby girl. I normally prepare video on child care, mother care and family care in general. So if you are interested, please subscribe our channel and join our beautiful family which is Mom and Baby. In this video, I am going to share with you some of my experience how I prepare my little one to go for nursery. So without further ado, let's get started.
Hello, my daddy. Please subscribe our channel.
Before you send to your baby to school, try to give at least couple of weeks of time for settling period. Here in London, United Kingdom, before we send to our child to the nursery gives the settling time period for 1 week or 2 weeks. My baby is so young and because of the COVID-19, she was almost home most of the time of her life. Therefore, we took the 2 weeks of settling period instead of 1 week. I think which we did the great decision. And when we sent our baby for the first time, she started going to school for 1 hour and unfortunately she cried for the whole 1 hour. So hard. It was even harder to me and my husband. We were just taking our time when the 1 hour will pass, and trust me, that 1 hour was the forever for us because we were trying to watch the clock and it was just maximum of 5 minutes. It was a long while for us. Anyway, she came home and then she was a bit relaxed. But we did select it as a alternate day instead of regularly, so she can be fresh at home or going outside, or at least she can spend some more time with us. And the alternate day, which was her second day, it was for 1 hour 30 minutes. In 1 hour 30 minutes, she just cried for maximum of 30 minutes and then she was settled. And when she came home, when we went to take her out, she was so happy. She was telling everything about her schooling, teacher, everything, and she was so happy. It was on Thursday. So instead of doing alternate wise, I just gave call to the nursery asking them if we can send our baby on Friday as well, just for 1 hour, just for her to get used to. And that moment, we did the best decision ever. So when we sent her to the nursery, as soon as we entered the gate, she was so happy. Before, she used to cry, but that day she was so happy. It was on her just third day. She was so happy and she said, "Bye mama, bye baba, see you soon." And she said bye to us and she went inside. So she was just happy. And from that time onwards, she has been going regularly. She did really well. And in just 3 days, she was completely fine. But I have seen other child who was crying, who was not settled for more than 3 weeks. So I thought it will be helpful to some of you if we share my video and my experience. What I did at home to prepare her mentally, physically is that we used to play the rhyme, "Tomorrow is the first day of school." That one, and the other one, "Did you have your backpack?" "Yes, I have." "Will you greet your teacher?" "Yes, I will." Anyway, any type of rhyme that is linked to send the children to the school. So try to create the atmosphere, and we also try to play at home the way in the children's center play. You can even ask your nursery or the school what sort of activities they do during the daytime as per the age of your child, and then you can do the similar type of activities at home so that your child is kind of familiar mentally and physically before you send to your little one to school, so that you don't need to suffer. Whenever your own child cries, it hurts more than anything else in this world. So I did try to train my baby to go to the school for 2 weeks, and I thought at first I took 2 weeks, but she was almost ready just in 1 week time. But it's better to take the 2 weeks rather than like squeeze off the time whenever you don't have time, because you cannot guarantee and you cannot predict anything what child will behave. So just take plenty of time, work on it, whatever your child like, just show them. And then one another thing what I did is that as soon as we enter the school, I just didn't stand in front of the gate, rather I just showed her around. We are not supposed to get inside of the nursery, but we can show the playground area from the outside. So I just showed her everything, all the toys, bus, what sort of thing I could see from there. I just showed her, and then she got excited to that one as well. So maybe that one was the reason why she didn't cry that much, and then she just said bye bye to us, and we were so surprised to see. And then from that time onwards, she is going to the nursery regularly. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also please share, because sharing is caring. Until we meet in our next video, take care and bye bye.